Hello, Dale Majors here, and I wanted to make a video update and tell you what I've been about the last 55 videos and kind of where we're going from here. So, welcome to the channel. If you haven't yet subscribed, please do subscribe, but don't click the bell because do you really want your phone to just distract you from what you have going on in your life? No, we got to be deliberate. Okay, phones are taking over our lives. So today I want to talk about kind of where we came from and where we're going. I started this channel venture anyways because I really feel that a lot of us are so capable of making progress and getting what we want, but many times we're held back because we don't just take action and do things. So on the channel we talk about discipline and taking action and planning and goal setting and just putting yourself out there. And it's been great. I've really enjoyed making all these videos. And I started just making videos on my own. You'll be able to see from like video 1 through 15 that it was like me on my phone. Hey, this is Dale, and I'm going to start making videos. And then I found some video editors in the Philippines, and I found a person that helped me with content. And I'm getting a lot of help around me to make the videos better, and it's awesome. Up until now, whenever I make a video, it's like, okay, I had this thought, let me talk about it, and then I film the video. I upload it. Here's my process currently. I film the video. I upload it to my Google Drive. My person in the Philippines downloads that, edits it on YouTube, and I guess I lost a step. My content person will watch the video first and call out some different places where they should put like bullet points in the video, the text, animated or whatever. And then the person will edit the video. It'll take 3-4 hours, and then he'll send it back to my content person. She'll upload it to YouTube, put some tags and titles and write the description, and then it goes up. And then I'll usually watch the video again when it comes out on YouTube and see it, and that's it. That's the process right now. But so I may spend 15, 20, 30 minutes per video, and then the other people spend 4, 5, 6 hours. We're changing that, and we came up with a new workflow that I think is pretty cool. So what we're going to start doing is we're going to start with a big brainstorm of types of topics that we would like to cover. And then step 2 is we're going to look up a bunch of queries online to see what people are searching for and what's popular. And then from that, we're going to decide what content we want to create from those queries. We're actually not what content we're going to create. We're going to do a bunch of research to find things that talk about those queries. And then from there, we're deciding what content. We're going to write, as our foundation, we're going to write like a really comprehensive blog article. And then we're also going to create, articles for LinkedIn, different LinkedIn posts. And then from there, we're going to have a bunch of video ideas that we're going to have. And we may even have like different trainings and other things. But the root, we're going to do all this research and then come up with really comprehensive articles. And then from there, we're going to base it on, we're going to base different videos. So, and I'll only make the video after we've done all of that research and all of the content and conversation and discussion around these topics. And that's exciting to me because I think that the videos will be a lot better than they have been. And that's the point, right? As we started, and then we keep finding ways to make it better and keep iterating on the process, which is awesome. And I'm stoked about it. So by the time I make a video, we'll have done all the research. We're going to look ahead of time for assets, like look for images to include in the video, maybe look for short video clips to include in the video. So when I'm making the video, I'm going to be able to build things in instead of my editor having to do it all after the fact. So I'm hoping that we can make these videos way better, and that is the goal. So that's kind of the video plan, and we're going to start. So what I did is I turned things off where from the editing standpoint, and I made a few videos that aren't edited like this one, and we're posting those for a few days. And this afternoon I'm going to make hopefully 2 videos based on all of our research so we can start to get edited videos again. And we're going to work to be on this new process where all of the content has been has been where we're just much more deliberate about the videos, starting, next week, which will be awesome. On episode 58 or 59, all of those will have gone through this new process of organization, and they should be a lot better. So I'm really excited about it. And it's awesome to know that, it took 20 videos to start to get some editing, 40 videos to get, I think, the editing pretty dialed, and now 60 videos, we're going to have the content, editing, and everything else dialed a whole lot more. And who knows how great we're going to be at, 200 videos or 300. So it's just a process, and thanks for your support, and we will talk to you later.